to kick off the event, may I call Ma'am Ariel Arigala for your opening remarks.
To our school head, Sir Joel M. Mabango, to my dear co-teachers, class learners, and of course to our guests of two barangay, which is are the barangay officials of Buri and Kanomoy, headed by the two active barangay captain, Mr. Margarito Mansayan and Margarita Alayan. And of course, to our Marian titles, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Sa mga narito po ngayon, malugod po namin kayo tinatanggap para matuhayin po ang pangalawang pagdiriwang ng Santa Cruzan of Flores de Mayo dito sa Cleope ARC Memorial High School. Santa Cruzan of Flores de Mayo, which means flowers in May, is the popular biggest celebration during May. Usually it is celebrated with flower offerings of our Blessed Virgin Mary and Catholic churches. At ito rin po ay isang makulay na pagdiriwang para sa pagsasaysay ng pagtatagpo ni Reyna Elena at ng tunay na krus. For this celebration with the theme, God first strengthens love to humanity. Truly everything we do and we say should be done in a way that honor Jesus. Because if we find our lives without God, we will ultimately lost. But if we put God first and seek Him the most, we will find our lives. And in connection to Barkada Contra Droga, these activities or religious activities will help learners, not only learners, but of course to parents and adults to prevent using illegal drugs by watching and joining this religious activity. Sa muli, sa lahat po naman dito ay malugod po namin kayong tinatanggap para tunghayan ang pangalawang pagdiriwang ng Santa Cruzan or Flores de Mayo.
Thank you, Ma'am Ariel, for your opening remarks. And now, ladies and gentlemen, guests and participants, as we witness the majestic entrance of the Marian titles, let us take a moment to acknowledge the significance and the beauty of each title. Let's welcome our divine president, Jane Rabino from grade 7. Your mother is Rosalie Rabino and his father is Edmar Rabino. Once again, the shepherdess Jane Rabino represents her shepherd staff. Applause, please. And let's welcome the Heart of Mary, Jerry Ann Medina from grade 7. Her mother is Jerry Medina and his father is Rami Medina. Once again, the Heart of Mary, Jerry Ann Medina represents the chorus of Pink Heart. Applause, please. For instance, our Queen of the Candle, Patria Ibanez from grade 7. Her mother is Lily Beth Ibanez and his father is Ronnie Ibanez. Once again, the Queen of the Candle, Patria Ibanez, represents the chorus of candle, symbolizing the purification of Mary. Applause, please. Yanez from grade 7. Her mother is Elena Urada and his father is Ronaldo Nunez. Once again, the Queen of the Most Holy Rosary, Julia Yanez, represents Mario. Applause, please. The entrance of our Queen of the Stars, Mariel B. Binimili, from grade 7. Her mother is Elma Binimili, while his father is Rogelio Binimili. Once again, the Queen of the Star, Mariel B. Binimili, represents the whole staff with a applause. Joining our from grade 7. Her mother is Yalma Viva. Once again, the Queen of the bouquet of white flowers. Applause, please. The entrance of our Queen of the Flowers, Micaela B. Sarko, from grade 7. His father is, her mother is Orlinda B. Sarko, and her father is Noel B. Sarko. Once again, the Queen of the Flowers, Micaela B. Sarko, represents the crown of the blossoms in beauty. Applause, please. The instance of our Queen of Empress, Jenseldine B. Amigo, from grade 7. Her mother is Rodeline B. Amigo. Once again, the Queen of Empress represents of our Saint Helena of Constantinople. Applause, please. And now, we begin the exciting part. Let's welcome the entrance of our beloved Queen Helena 2024. No other than Rica Joy Y. Romano with his escort Constantino. Marvin Aribel from grade 7. The mother of our beloved Queen Helena is Shirley Ataide, and her father is Angelico Ataide Jr., while the mother of our escort Constantino is Julina Francisco Ruga. Once again, the Queen Helena 2024 represents the carries a small cross or crucifix, and our escort Constantino represents the escort of Queen Helena, represents the Imperial Constantino. Ave Maria, Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. In grief and temptation, in joy. Of the Spirit of Mary. First, we have divine self-fairness, awakening, guidance, and compassion. Please come forward to receive your certificate in class. Once again, divine self-fairness, Jen Robino, please come forward and receive your certificate. Kaya ikaw, Barangay Kagawad Tomas R. Medina Jr., assisted by parents for awarding the certificate in class screening.
Uwi na ako. Halika na. Waya. Waya, Sel. Pwede naman po. Ay, Wincy lang. Imo tali na po ang matan ako. Di ka rin ako. Imo talent ha. Dali mo na po. Sabi diyan ako maputos. Ayun na. May video ka na.
Nagbo to kamay?
Ay, boy.
Sa din na siya.
Kaysa ng video. Kanina tanay ko nag-
Sana ako nagkuhan. Ang video.
Pa. Nainit din. Yes.
Training assistant.
Grabe na. Ano? May katapayan.
To the next number, we would like to press our Barangay Kagawad of Pelomoy, Tomas R. Medina for the donation amounting of 500 pesos. Thank you very much. Good Mary, so substituting President Mark Adina, District Mary.
Boxing? Ingatan ni ma'am.
Mark Rocco,
Siya nagluto si ma'am.
right,
Nah. Asawa na naman. Maganda.